Google now lets people support their favorite publications by introducing a new Preferred Sources button to add their favorite websites. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your Tech Hub. Google explained that clicking this button will add the site as a preferred source on Google and immediately directs them back to where they left off on the publisher's page. After adding the site, you'll see the publication appear more frequently Google search, including in top searches, AI overviews, and AI mode. The button formalizes something publishers had been independently adding their websites for a while now. Even with traffic from Google declining in recent years due to AI overviews and AI mode, the company's search engine remains an important source of revenue for many media outlets, which makes one wonder if Google's adding this feature just to appease some publishers. After facing pressure from the UK's Competition and Markets Authority, the company announced it would begin allowing websites to opt out of appearing in AI-generated search results. Google will also roll out an update to its Discover feed soon, which you can find in the Google app, Chrome, and on Android, allowing you to curate the content it surfaces by instructing Gemini chatbot. Google will first release the update through its mobile app, where you'll find Gemini by tapping the three-dot icon next to any story. And if you prefer to listen to the news rather than read it, Google's also making it easier to customize the audio briefings through its News app on Android. As with any updates from Google, it may take a few days for users to get these features. So, as always, be patient if you don't see them right away. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.